All right, hey guys. So after the review, I'm going to go over progressive verb tenses. We've gone over simple verb tenses and perfect verb tenses. Now I'm going to go over progressive verb tenses. So basically, with all these, what makes them all different is what helping verbs are being used. So for example, with present progressive, they're using the helping verbs am, is, and are. So for example, the verb ends with an ing. So for example, is calling, is right there, are speaking, are, and that is present progressive. Okay, so when you look on your homework like this, which one of these verbs are they using the helping verbs is and are, or am? That's what you have to look out for. All right, this next one is past progressive. They're using the helping verbs was and were. So for example, was calling, were speaking. And then finally, the future progressive. They use the helping verbs will be calling, and will be speaking. So that's pretty much that. So in your homework, what you have to do here is all you have to do is put a check. That's all you have to do. Some of you like actually wrote out the different tenses, like the different words. You don't have to do that. All you got to do is just do a check. So you have to, I'm going to do one of these with you. Right? And so let's kind of look at this one. Let's see if we can find any present progressive verb tenses. So let's see if we can use any of the verb tenses that uses the helping verbs am, is, and are. So am, is, and are. Let's see, look at these verb tenses. Am, oh, there's one. That's all I see. I just see this one. So number 3, that is the only progressive present. And remember, we're in progressive, and it is present. So we go to the progressive one, and we go to present, and we just check in the box that matches is driving. Okay, so that's that one. See if you can do the rest on your own. You can use page 480 for help on this for progressives. But see if you can do the rest of them on your own. So like for number 1, you have to say, is drive in the simple, is it in the perfect, or is it in the progressive? Now I'll give you a hint. Because there's no helping verbs, this is going to be a simple verb tense. So now ask yourself, is it in the present, past, or future tense? Is drive being in the past tense? No, that would be drove. Is drive in the future tense? No, that would be will drive. So I'll kind of help you out again. This will be present. Okay. So see if you can do the rest on your own. If you're still struggling with it, it's okay. Don't freak out about it, because I know it's almost spring break. But I hope this video helps, and I hope you guys have a good spring break.